Hello everyone, welcome to my new HTML tutorial. So for this tutorial, it's basically just going to be the basics, I guess. So first what you want to do is open Notepad++ or Notepad. And then what you're going to want to do, or what you want to do now to make sure that it saves as a HTML document and not as a normal document is go to File, Save As, and then say Desktop. Create a new folder and name it whatever it's going to be, whatever your website's for, or if you're just learning or whatever. And then say, open that up and find HTML right here. So save that and then name it whatever it's going to be. Or since it's actually the home page, name it index.html. Always name it that because that tells the browser that it's the home page. And then say save. And if you're on Notepad, instead of saying for the file when you're doing save as, where it says .html, say just all files and just put .html. So after this, say doc type at the top, just like that, and then say HTML right there, and then go like this and do /HTML, HTML like that. So first do Control S and then open your file and go to and it should look something like this with Internet Explorer or whatever, and double click on it to open it in a browser. So when it opens like this is what your page is. Even though there's nothing on it yet, that's what it will look like at first. So now what you're going to do is minimize this and do P bagels are let's eat cheese, and then do /P. And so right here you see we're defining that it's a paragraph, and right here, because of this slash right here, we're defining that we're ending this tag right there. So we're defining here that we're ending the paragraph. And then say Control S, go to your browser and refresh, or Control R. So there's that. That ends up right there. So say you want to maybe make that bigger. Say font, space, size, and then do an equal sign and then a quotation mark. Say size 5. Do another quotation mark and then an ending or like equal sign thing. And then go right here again and end that. So /font. Then do Control S and Control R. That will make it bigger. So say you want to make that font, let's say red. Say color equals quote quote red end quote, and then Control S, Control R. That will make that red. Or so that will be like the main body of it. So let's just delete this for right now. So that will be our paragraph. And then go up here and click enter a couple times and go up and then say H1. That's heading 1. There's heading 1 to heading 6, and the bigger the number, like heading 6 is the smallest, heading 1 is the biggest. So heading 1, say what should we do? Question mark. And then end that with /H1. Then say Control S and Control R. What should we do? Let's eat cheese. And so, like I said, we deleted the font, so that's just normal font now. But we'll get more advanced later, whatever. So say you want to change the background color. Go like this, body, BG color equals quote quote, let's say red. Control S, Control R. That will turn it red. And if you go to somewhere like, say you search, it's on Google. I downloaded something and it went up to this. So search HTML colors and then go to HTML color names or color picker, and then you can choose them here. This is like just a huge list. I like W3 Schools. I use it a lot actually. So there's just like a big list of colors you can use. So we'll do that later. So here's what this looks like now. So now, what if you wanted to say you go down, so you want a new line, and then you say hi, Control S, Control R, and it appears right there instead of down here where you wanted it. Well, that's because in HTML it doesn't recognize that, so what you have to do is a BR tag. So do opening, BR, closing, just like this right here. And then do Control S, Control R. Now it'll appear down there. So say that this tag doesn't have an ending, but say that you, for some reason, wanted it to have an ending. Oh, fail. BR. So say you ended it for some reason. It doesn't do it. It moves it down one. So either one doesn't really do anything. So then go like this, and then so this is our website sort of so far. And then so say you want to make a smaller one, smaller heading. So do H2 and say, why should we do that? Question mark. And then end H2. Let me fix all my typos I did. And then say Control S to save and Control R. Why should we do that? If you see, this is smaller than this. And this is just a normal paragraph. But maybe we want, for some reason, we want a secret word, or we want to change the color. Do font color equals quote quote. I'm just going to go blue. Quote quote, and then end, and then make sure that you end this, or else it'll just go on forever. Oh, and another really important thing, this little quotation right here, if you don't have this, nothing's going to work. So make sure if that happens, make sure you have the little ending quotation right there, and then do Control S, Control R. Why should we do that? And then, so now you can go down and do another paragraph. Or let's do, yeah, sure, let's just do another paragraph. So then what you can do is you can say font size equals, so say you want it to be huge, you want it to be 500, and then say hi, and then /font /p, so that we end them, Control S, Control R. That doesn't look much bigger than that. And the reason is because HTML, when you specify the size tag, it only goes up to 7. I believe. Yeah, I think it is. It will only go up to 7. So if you, oh god. So if you want a bigger one, what you would have to do is go into GIMP or something, some editing tool, and make the background color the same as this, and then put your font and put a picture in there, which we'll show you how to do later. Oh, and so I guess that's actually going to be all for the video. This isn't a very long video, it's just like really the basics. But so, and I hope you guys watch the next video, and if you have any questions, post it in the comment. Thanks guys, bye.